Welcome to Today Learn. This is another long English speaking practice session. If you practice with this video, your English speaking will improve. Relax your body, clear your mind, and start speaking. You do not need fast English. You need clear English. Let us begin with warm-up sentences. Say slowly. I am ready to practice. I am calm, I am focused. I am learning English. Repeat again. I am ready to practice. I am calm, I am focused. I am learning English good. Now let us practice speaking about feelings. Say, I feel happy, I feel tired. I feel excited, I feel calm. I feel confident. Repeat slowly. Now let us practice talking about yesterday. Say, yesterday I woke up early. Yesterday I went to work. Yesterday I ate food. Yesterday I rested. Yesterday I practiced English. Repeat again. Good. Now let us practice present habits. Say, I wake up early every day. I drink water in the morning. I practice English daily. I try to improve myself. Repeat again. Now let us practice future plans. Say, tomorrow I will practice English. Tomorrow I will speak more. I will improve my English step by step. Repeat slowly. Very good. Now let us practice daily conversation sentences. Listen and repeat. What is your plan today? I am going to work. Are you free now? Yes, I am free. No, I'm busy. Repeat again. Now let us practice asking and answering. Say, where are you going? I am going home. What are you doing? I am practicing English. Why are you learning English? I want to improve myself. Repeat slowly. Good job. Now let us practice describing places. Say, I am at home. I am in my room. I am in a quiet place. I feel comfortable here. Repeat again. Now let us practice talking about objects. Say, this is my phone. This is my table. This is my chair. This is my screen. Repeat slowly. Now let us practice speaking without stopping. Do not pause. Do not think too much, just speak. Say, I am sitting now and listening. I am practicing English speaking. I am improving little by little. I feel more confident now. Repeat again. Good. Now let us practice polite daily English. Say, may I come in? Could you help me? Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. Repeat slowly. Now let us practice negative sentences. Say, I am not afraid. I am not shy. I am not giving up. I am learning. Repeat again. Now let us practice short opinions. Say, I like learning English. I enjoy speaking practice. I believe in myself. Repeat slowly. Now let us practice speaking about problems. Say, sometimes English is difficult. Sometimes I make mistakes, but I continue practicing. Repeat again. Very good. Now let us practice speaking naturally. Describe what you see around you. Say it, I see a wall. I see light. I see my phone. I hear a voice. Keep speaking. Now let us practice confident sentences again. Say, I can speak English. I am improving every day. Practice makes me better. Repeat slowly. Now relax and listen. English is not magic. English is practice. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes. Every practice counts. Speak today, speak tomorrow. Speak every day. Now repeat the final sentences. I speak English with confidence. I enjoy learning English. I am getting better. Repeat again. I speak English with confidence. I enjoy learning English. I am getting better. Excellent. Keep practicing. Keep speaking. This is Today Learn. Thank you for practicing with me.